Christmas! Oh no! RJ!
Christmas!
Yay! Christmas Day today! So, okay guys, let's see RJ. Okay, wake up. What time now it? 8. It's 8:48 now in the morning. So let's see RJ. Cheers, calm. Have blanket. Have another blanket, RJ. Merry Christmas! Oh no! RJ!
Christmas!
Yay! Christmas Day today! So,
Yes.
oh my god, what you doing?
Christmas!
Oh, be careful, you'll hurt yourself.
Don't say.
So listen. Oh no.
Daddy Claus ate it. And Daddy Claus drank the milk.
Look at that. See, he have Santa Claus come last night, see?
That's Daddy Claus.
Daddy Claus? No, really? I don't know that. I heard last night. Noisy. You hear? You heard last night? Ooh, it's the same. See?
Look at this.
Are you happy it's Christmas?
Yes.
Look at RJ. Here. It's so messy. There he is. Your present, RJ.
I have to get dressed up now.
No, you're not doing. Dressed because daddy's still sleeping. Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, everyone. RJ excited. Christmas. Here is RJ.
We opened 2 presents.
Yeah.
We got the magic
Yeah, last night.
poster in the book.
Yeah.
And got ready the movie.
Mm-mm.
And
Then what?
we had the bumblebee thing.
Yeah. That you opened last night. Okay. Let's see you later when daddy wake up. Because daddy's still sleeping.
Much later.
And RJ opening the present.
2021.
Yep.
This is the first present. They get the Nerf gun.
Nerf gun. Oh, yeah.
Hard.
It's Christmas morning. Wow, why you know that? Your Nerf gun.
Nerf gun
Yep.
holds bombs away from Fortnite.
Ooh.
Fortnite Nerf gun.
Yep. Hi guys, RJ opening present
We already
and maybe
opened the Nerf
unboxing. So Merry Christmas, guys. It's dark.
gun. It's the grave digger. Oh, wait.
Let's see what's that.
Yes, it's the grave digger. Get out of the stupid packet.
Ooh,
The
look
grave
at that.
digger. I'm
You
still
unbox
trying.
now too?
What?
You unbox?
I'm not gonna unbox the grave digger.
Yeah, that the gun.
Yeah.
The Fortnite gun.
There's bullets in here.
What's the bullet? Nerf?
Nerf bullets.
Nerf bullets. Okay. Whoa. Uh-oh, it's not working. My goodness, what's that gun, RJ?
Sad.
Ah, oh my God. No good.
That.
Where do we get that? That's
Walmart.
Walmart?
Putting the other back treehouse. That is never.
Really? Oh, you know that, huh? Oh, no. It's a book, RJ. Abala to read, RJ.
So many
Yep.
books to read.
Okay. Next one.
Remember that stuff? This big
Ooh, what's that?
It's a Lego. I think it's a Lego.
Lego.
Yeah!
Oh, no.
It's a Ninjago thing.
Ninjago, that's your favorite?
Now,
What's your golden border,
it comes
RJ?
with golden Kai.
Oh.
Finger.
What's your golden bow, RJ? Maybe that's your number one favorite.
No, my number one favorite is this one.
Really?
Next up is this one.
Oh no, what's in this? Ah, what's that, RJ? What's that, RJ? Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Ninjago submarine car.
Car?
I have so many,
Yeah,
that RJ, huh?
Water and you do stuff with it. Part of this year's season, but they're gonna have a new season. So
What's the other one?
this one, this is from
Airplane?
I'm pretty sure this is from season 4, like 6 years ago. Next is the weird present.
Oh, what's that? The word. The word, RJ present. What's that, RJ?
I think it's pants. I got pants.
Don't fit, we'll swap it for another size.
Okay.
Ooh, a pants, RJ.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I have to try
Next
to pull
one.
out the green present.
Oh my God! See, see that is fall down.
Instead of this, I'll open this next. Now we're gonna open the family present.
Yep. Okay, family present.
Family present. Look at that.
Look at that. What you do, RJ? All fall down on your gift.
Nice.
Yay! What's in that, RJ? What's inside? You cannot see. Ooh, look at that. Oh,
This is a disaster.
Move it back this way.
oh. Yeah, move.
Cards fell off. Throw it outside.
Okay. That's nice knife.
A nice knife.
Yep.
Okay. Now the calendar.
Ooh.
Try the family present.
Look at that. Ooh. The calendar 2022. Here is.
Look how good it is.
Yeah.
And there you go.
There you go.
Mess. Okay, what could this be?
Ooh, what's that? Oh, box in the box.
Oh my god!
What's that?
You don't have a garbage truck.
Oh, we have no garbage here. We put all the garbage. Clean up. Clean up here, clean up. Yep.
An avalanche has occurred.
Clean up. Oh, look at RJ. Woo! Look at that. Wow, nice.
Monster truck and hot dog.
Hot Wheel and Monster Truck. That's Monster Truck.
Ooh, look at that. Nice, RJ. Okay. Next. Next
Okay,
one.
next up. Look. Next up, we're gonna open the golden present.
Ooh. What inside that there, RJ?
Has to be how those others.
Ooh, what's inside? What's inside?
PlayStation 4?
That's your number one?
Yes.
Ooh.
Hot Wheel game.
The golden bow, RJ. That is favorite. Only that is favorite gift.
Is that the-
Gaming.
Okay, next up is this one. I don't know how to do this one. This one is like the exact same, but
Ooh, what's that, RJ? No. Ta-da!
from the movie.
What?
Blu-ray?
From the movie.
Ooh.
Blu-ray?
Yeah, Blu-ray.
Cool. Is that a new
Yeah, came out this year. Okay, next
Okay,
one.
next
We
one.
open the same present.
Whoa, what's that?
another game or movie?
Other game?
Steel Titans 2! Monster Jam!
Oh
I
no.
knew this.
It's a movie?
No?
Game.
It's a game.
I knew that Daddy got this. Tell me.
All these
I like
games?
this.
PlayStation.
Oh,
My second favorite.
okay. Okay, next one.
Okay.
Okay, next up is this plain blue. What's it
I not know what's that. Ta-da!
PS4 games.
What's that? Oh. You not know.
Dangerous driving.
You like that?
Yeah.
RJ likes that.
I like that.
Look like you not like. RJ,
He's not familiar with
I
it.
like it.
you not.
I put it on my list. I wanted it one time. Now we can put more games. 50 more games on this thing.
Oh no, storage.
Okay, next up is this present that lost the belt over there. Because the avalanche.
Ambulance.
Oh, cross signal.
Oh
I
no.
knew this because it said it out of the box.
Oh, look at that. RJ presents a balat, huh? You lucky, RJ. Oh, what's that?
Oh, this is the horse.
Look like you that excited.
He knows about that one.
RJ.
I know about this.
Really?
This is the howler.
Uh-oh.
Okay, next. It's the ball. It's the marble game.
Marble.
Yeah.
Oh, so hard. You cannot do. Yay! What's that?
Gravity base.
Strategy.
You know how to play that?
Like a maze.
Yeah. 8+.
Oh,
Okay.
there's
Next
the
up is this
gift
one.
RJ. His daddy.
Oh, it's the carpet.
Oh no! Wow, look at that.
No, these are the. This is the.
It's nice, RJ. Wow.
Okay, next is this one.
Oh,
Lego cookie.
I not know what's inside.
What is this?
I not know. Whoa!
What's Strongbow ball?
I not know.
Stratego.
What's
It's a
Strongbow?
game. I
Oh,
like it.
you not know, RJ?
No, it's a game from way back.
Capture the flag.
Flag, yeah.
It says capture the flag on it.
You know how to capture? Ooh, what's that? What's that?
I
What?
spectrograph.
The game?
Next up is this.
Whoa, what's that? Let's see. Oh, in the box again. Oh my God, what's that, RJ?
Says Track Builder Unlimited.
Oh,
15 cars.
oh my God. Have a lot.
I need the scissors.
Where's the scissor?
You look good?
Where is the scissor?
There's the scissors.
Eh,
Let's see here.
careful.
Yep.
Open it. Open. Open. Okay, next one I'm gonna open is this one.
Okay.
Okay, I have this small
Oh,
sneaky present. Alright.
You just.
This is the Hot Wheels ID one.
What's the Hot Wheel again?
Hot Wheels ID. Would I have to return this?
Why?
Because
You not like?
Doesn't have the whole setup.
you need the $100 set.
Oh my goodness.
Now what's cool about this stuff? You can open it up.
You got that car?
Well, no, I don't have an ID.
But you have that car.
Well, I only have one version of that car. It's very different.
Okay.
The next up is this one. I almost opened. Open it.
Ta-da! It's good!
It's the carpet!
Oh, Corvette!
The $50 carpet!
That's your favorite? Corvette?
No.
Technique though.
Probably some 500 pieces.
Oh, look at that Lego. I have a lot to build, RJ.
Like the Rubicon.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice,
Can you
RJ.
open it faster, please? Next step is this thing. Oh, this is...
Ooh.
It's the Monopoly! Go watch Monopoly!
Oh no. How to play that, RJ? Not, no?
Monopoly 2022 edition. We're gonna play this on New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve.
Hasbro has all the games. The
Uh-oh.
Arsenal. The
Wow. Look at that Roblox.
that's
Ooh, but let's see, RJ. Wow, I have a lot, huh?
It's still on top.
My God.
Oh, I like
Oh. Look at that. How many that? 100? 15? Wow, look at RJ. Wow.
Let's see how many.
It's so nice.
Wow!
Show RJ.
I never.
RJ, show.
This is my second looking.
Wow.
So I don't. I have that, but it's like, this is way better. I don't have this at all.
Probably have
I
more,
don't have that. I
yeah.
don't have this.
500 of them.
Okay, the
I don't
other.
have this, this, and this, and this.
Okay, the other one.
And over here, I don't have this. I don't have this. I don't have this. I have this. I have this.
Hmm.
Over here, I don't have this. I don't have this. I don't have this. I don't have this. I don't have this.
That's good.
Next up is
Okay.
this thing.
What inside? Oh no! Oh, Nissan.
Some racing car.
Oh my goodness.
Nissan racing car.
You have a lot of car. RJ.
That is
Oh, it's big.
this one.
Oh my God, what's that, RJ? What's in? Oh, in the box. Oh no, Tara. You cannot see RJ. What's in there inside?
What's on this?
Ooh.
Next up
Okay.
is this one. Probably more pants.
Ooh.
More pants.
Ooh.
Hey, is it more pants?
I think it's underwear.
What is it?
I think it's underwear, RJ. Is a pants again there? Ooh, what's that?
Shirts.
Oh, t-shirt, RJ.
It's two shirts.
Oh.
Three shirts.
Oh, maybe a sweatshirt.
Next up is the last one.
Yeah, RJ open, our daddy open the box.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
open your present, okay?
Oh. No, mommy!
Now I'm gonna open your present.
For mommy, that RJ.
I'm gonna open your present.
Okay.
Because that's your present.
Whoa, you dad your present?
That,
That's mommy.
whatever this is.
What's that?
I forgot what it is. I think it's a bag.
Babe, let me see. Bag. What's this, RJ?
So GoPro.
Ah,
That's the go. It's a very light.
the mount, RJ.
This is a bag.
Thank you, daddy.
This is a bag.
A bag. What's bag? Oh.
You ready for your big present?
Okay. Let's see. Tara, tara. What's in
This
there?
was hiding in the spare bedroom.
Oh no, what's in there?
Air fryer.
Oh, we cook now a chicken in there, RJ. Oh, have other sticker there, RJ. I have mommy now, air fryer. We cook a chicken. Oh my God.
Avalanche. That's so many avalanches.
You don't have to open it.
There is Tara.
This one came in the other one.
Wow. Yeah.
Put over there.
Oh my goodness. Linking logs. That in the box.
The original.
Yep. You buy that before and then you return because it's no good.
It's got more pieces.
Oh, Daddy, RJ.
Oh, yeah, that.
Yeah. Daddy gift. Let's see.
Daddy got.
Oh no, what's in there?
Daddy gets an iPad.
Oh, iPad, Daddy.
Daddy's
Merry
iPad.
Christmas. Merry
Oh,
Christmas, Daddy.
Mysteriously, this thing was supposed to come on the 27th, but it come on the 24th.
Yeah, because Christmas gift, Daddy. What's
Okay,
that? Daddy. What?
A case.
Oh, a case.
This is $6.
Here is, RJ.
$30.
Yep, $30. Expensive, RJ.
Not expensive at all.
Ooh, there is.
Is that all the presents?
Whoa.
Yeah, that's all it's
Look at that. Disaster, RJ.
Stop it. Oh my god.
Disaster, the garbage. Look at that, RJ.
If you mind, I'm going to use your air fryer as a seat.
Oh no.
So first, this is my partially stocking.
It's RJ
A bulldozer.
stocking
A bulldozer.
stopper inside the
Stocking.
Yeah.
I got bulldozer.
Oh, bulldozer. RJ. Here it is.
Open.
Yeah.
Why are Matchbox is so hard to open than Hot Wheels?
No.
Look.
Yep. Oh, what's that, RJ? Ah, robot.
Robot.
Oh no.
Beep.
Yep. It's the robot.
Robot.
Where's
Okay, what else
robot?
did I get?
Yes,
What's
that, RJ.
Brain.
It's a puzzle. You have to separate them.
No, puzzle.
I
That
got
RJ.
Minion.
Ooh.
Minion. Where is he? Who is he? Micro edition. Okay.
Oh.
Min.
What's that?
Play-Doh.
Okay. Nice.
He's like, ah. Okay, next up I got.
What?
Ooh, this is the flashlight I wanted.
What's that?
This is the Dollar Tree. I wanted this flashlight.
So small plus.
That you gotta pull out.
Oh, oh. Ah, that's a key holder?
No. You put that in the mailbox too.
Key holder.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna do this. Then carve it out.
Mm.
What did I get? Oh, I got a. It's called the.
What's that?
I think it's the.
Oops.
Okay, so it's called the 1969 Dodge Charger.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, the other one.
Open it.
Hmm. Okay, next.
Next up. In my Hershey. Hershey.
Oh.
And I got bubbles.
Oh. Bubble for
Bubbles
summer.
for
That
me.
for summer. That RJ still winter.
I think that's it.
Oh.
That's it for my
Here's
stocking.
the fireplace.
You can be mine.
And Daddy stocking. Whoa! Mommy stocking.
Here's your first thing, Mommy.
Oh,
There.
no! It's a
You, teddy bear.
it's a bear. Teddy bear.
Like it?
Is
You like
yep,
it?
I like.
I hate it.
You.
Okay. And then you
Okay.
got hand sanitizer.
Oh no.
Like it?
Yeah,
Your
I
hand
like it.
sanitizer, and you got chest. Put
Chest.
all your gems in.
Oh, nice. I like that.
chest.
Small, yep.
Lock it up.
Ooh.
And you got these.
Ooh, okay. Here is.
That's
Oh,
And you got a flashlight.
I have flashlight. There is.
And you got
What's
more
that?
kitchen rules.
What's that?
Magnet.
Kitchen
Magnet.
rules. My kitchen.
Mommy,
Magnet.
Mommy, remember you said you wanted a small car?
Yeah.
There's a small car. Just for you. This is your small car. Just for you.
I want real.
You said you wanted a small car. Right? Right? Did you say that, Daddy? So,
Yep.
I got you a small car.
Oh, cute, RJ. Look at that.
That's your car. And Daddy got you this.
Ooh, okay.
And you got the things that you denied about yourself. The rocks.
I don't want. What's doing this? Rock. Rock, RJ.
And the final thing
What?
here
What?
is Snickers.
Ooh. That mommy favorite sneaker? Huh?
That's your
Where's the other
favorite
one?
thing.
Ooh, there's the other one. Look at that, RJ. Here is nice.
Something different.
How to play that, RJ?
Building.
It's a building,
I
RJ.
know that. That's it for Mommy. Now
Okay.
open Daddy.
Time for daddy now. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope you work this flashlight, RJ.
Okay. Okay, Daddy. Here's
Okay.
your pens.
Alright.
Pens. Okay, you got
Only little daddy.
Mommy got a flashlight too.
Yeah.
everybody get a flashlight. Now I'll just switch. You can have the red one. Okay, Daddy gets a crunch kebab. Everyone gets candy. And then here, tape. You get tape.
Alright.
Ow. And here is a
What?
called the Toyota pickup.
Oo.
Pick up. And remember, you said you wanted a Jeep Wrangler. I thought you meant
Daddy want our daddy, the Jeep Wrangler in the real. In real life, RJ.
This is real, see? Here's some books.
Not only the toys, the real, RJ.
That's it.
Oh, thank you, Daddy. What you see, Daddy, RJ? Yep.
Look all the
Merry Christmas! Yeah, look at this.
Merry Christmas! So much presents for me!
Yeah, you have a lot of present, RJ.
Don't go! Don't go!
What?
We have to open all of them now. Dun, dun, dun.
No,
Don't open up everything.
no, cause so many, RJ. Look at this, the mess you put, RJ. Say the mess. We put that there because we clean up. Clean up, clean up.
We're not cleaning out everything.
We clean up.
Where's your paper? Hug him.
Yep, that's my teddy bear. We clean up, RJ. Here's
We
RJ.
bulldozer the bulldoze everything away.
Yep.
Bulldoze that
Okay, clean up, RJ. RJ. RJ, clean up.
Bulldozer's helping me.
RJ. Hi,
Yeah.
guys. Merry Christmas. All the gifts, RJ here. And there. At this, RJ.